This video will focus on science and is an easy experiment to do at home. Today we're going to teach something about how water flows from the dirt in the soil through the plant and out the leaf. It is something called transpiration. Sort of like perspiration, where humans sweat out the water from their system, and plants do it through their leaf and out into the air. So I'm going to cover this leaf that you see in front of me here with a Ziploc bag, and we're going to tie it at the end, and we'll wait a few hours and come take a look, and you can see what is happening with the leaf. So here's the leaf, just bagged, ziplocked, and you can already see that it is starting to get a little foggy in there. In an hour or two, we'll see some water that has come out of the leaf. Here is a simple visualization of transpiration. The roots take in the water from the soil after it rains or after you water the plant. The water is then drawn up the stem towards the leaves. Veins then carry water into the leaves, and water is then lost by transpiration or evaporation. It has two main functions: cooling the plant and pumping water and minerals to the leaves for photosynthesis. We can cover photosynthesis in another video. Here we are 5 hours later. What do we have? A lot more water, a lot more condensation, but not necessarily enough water to drink. But there might be other plants, other leaves that give off more. This is a quick experiment that you can try at home with just a Ziploc bag and leaves around your home. Well, after removing the plastic bag, here's the amount of water we have. You can see it's a little green. There's some grass and different things from the leaf itself. This water is fairly clean to drink. But there you have it. There's our experiment. Till next time.